Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Yes, if you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching from Facebook, please follow me on my page, like the video, comment and share it to many groups as possible as you can. Yes, I just want to share with us with this information, the information that is coming out from Nigeria about the business of foreign investors in the country, what they are doing and what they are experiencing in the country. A lot of things is going on there. A lot of things is going on in Nigeria. The economy is going down every day by day. People that are, have some investment in the country are taking their business out of the country because of the economy of Nigeria and what is going on as of today. A Shoprite in Kano has been announced, their departure from the Kano state. The real reason behind the Shoprite is surfacing out. Although some people have different opinion about it, here is Daily Trust what they said about the departure of the Shoprite in Kano state. The same thing happened in other places actually, but the one in Kano surprised many people because everybody believed they are having a very lucrative business in the north based on the economy of the country, that people think that a lot of things is going well for the northerners and the southerners are the one facing the hardship. But the hardship in the country is quite obvious for everybody. Nobody is exempted. Nobody is exempted of the hardship. Ever since the new president, emerged, people have been, shouting and saying a lot of things about the economy that people are not finding it easy. Even those who were pushing him to become the president are also facing the issue. I wouldn't want to dwell much about the condition of the president and how he become president, but all I want you to understand is that the economy is not something that is anybody can be, smiling about, because it is affecting everybody. Now, Daily Trust have it, in their front page. They said the Real Supermarket Nigeria Limited, owner of the popular Shoprite Mall, recently announced its intention to cease operation in Kano branch, Northwest Nigeria from operation. They want to cease their operation in Kano State. They want to stop the Shoprite and everything. All their businesses in the Kano State. They want to leave everything apart because they want to know, maybe they are looking for a better place to continue their operation or something like that. Shoprite, I was told that it belongs to South African government. I don't know, but whether it belongs to them or not, for a business and a franchise business like Shoprite leaving the state, leaving the country is worrisome. Unless you don't understand the what it means and the effect in the economy of Nigeria. Today, dollar is keep on beating naira or hands down, and nobody is speaking about it. Workers are looking for survival. There's no money for them to. There's no money to pay workers, and government also facing the same issue. So you will also hear that people in government government workers, they are also having issue with salary. Some of them have not earned their salary as well. So it's not easy for anybody. The store located in Ado Bayero Mall said it would not continue operations in the state due to the current financial situation of the mall in the state, as well as difficult business climate in the country. In the circular, the supermarket noted that the decision was regrettable, but however necessary, hitting that all the employees working at the mall would be laid off once it is ceased operation in the state. Sahara reporters also have it on their front page as well, reporting about this Shoprite operation that have ceased not to operate anymore in Kano State. It have this in their front page. They said Shoprite shuts operation at Kano's Bayora Mall over Nigeria's current business climate. So it is almost in every news today in Nigeria about the departure of the Shoprite in Kano State. A lot of people have not quite understand the reason, although the reason they gave here is about the climate, that the business climate in the state is affecting them and all that, which personally I don't believe that. It is all about the economy, economy of the state, the poor of the economy of the state, and the operation is not really going well for them. Maybe they're not making what expected as well, because every business owner have a target. Yes, we also have another news here in the Sahara Reporters front page as well. They said Amnesty International to Tinubu current kidnapping epidemic shows utter failure of your government. That is what Amnesty International is telling to Nigerian government. I think in particular Tinubu, who is the president actually, because when you say Nigerian government, it seems like you are talking about the entire country. We have someone who is the piloting the affairs of the country, and the person is no other than Tinubu. So he says global organization Amnesty International has asked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to take all lawful measures to end the cycle of violence, kidnapping, and spying in Nigeria. The organization made the call on Monday as Nigeria marks this year as Armed Force Remembrance Day, adding that the current epidemic of kidnapping in the country highlighted the utter failure of Nigerian authorities to effectively protect the lives of the Nigerians. It is maybe the Amnesty International have just wake up. They have seen what is going on in the country and they kept quiet. A lot of people have called them out many times. Even Show already did that. I think last month he made mention about Amnesty International keeping silent on the effect and what is going on, the level of people that are being paid unnecessary in the country. Even most of them from security agencies as well. There are a lot of information is out there, pointing accusing finger on Nigerian security agencies. I don't want to make it, make it particular to Biafrans, because when I said Igbo people, they think, oh, you are talking about your region. No, everywhere in the country is facing this issue, this same problem, insecurity everywhere. If you ask government, they will tell you that it's bandit, is hoodlums and all that, because they have a lot of English words, to protect the people who are responsible for the kidnapping and all the violence they're talking about. They will use the words to make you feel that is when you call someone when you say that someone is when you call a woman you say that this woman is involving in hookup activities, but instead of mentioning what calling it the name it is, they will use a word that is favorable, for people to understand, to hear. Maybe when you say hookup and a harlot, it is totally different thing. You understand? People can accept the word hookup. It sounds friendly, right? But when when you call it what it is, they will understand what we are trying to say. So that is what is going on here. They always say bandit, insecurity, hoodlums. Instead of calling it what it is, we all know what it is. I don't want to mention it in this video, but you catch what I'm trying to say. So that is it. We also want to inform you that not only ShopRite in Kaduna State had that issue. A lot of business investment, foreign investment in the country are now relocating out to neighboring countries like Ghana, Guinea, Cameroon, and all that. So the economy of the country keep on facing challenges, a lot of challenges. So I don't want to make this video, to be too long, but I just want you to understand what is going on. That many things is happening in the country, and the government are not doing anything to, protect or to make it look better. So, and more is yet to come. The better you buckle yourself to face the reality is better for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you on my next video. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.